Yankees, Aaron Judge avoid arbitration. Let's go!
Loud. Limonada Coco.
We are witnessing baseball history.
The Yankees and Aaron Judge have agreed to a contract to avoid arbitration, reports John Heyman of the New York Post. They've been slated to go through a hearing this afternoon, but the last-minute settlement dodges that necessity. Judge and the Yankees had been set to proceed through the process with the largest gap in filing figures between any player-team pairing this season. Judge's camp had filed for a $21 million salary, while the Yankees countered at $17 million. MLB's arbitration system doesn't permit adjudicators to land on a midpoint. Had they gone to a hearing, the arbitrators would have had to set Judge's salary at either $17 million or $21 million. By avoiding the process, the parties can come together at a mutually agreeable middle ground. That avoids any potential acrimony arising in an adversarial hearing for the face of the franchise. This was the final season of arbitration eligibility for Judge, who's a few months away from his first trip to the open market. He turned down a 7-year, $213.5 million extension offer during spring training. Betting on himself looks as if it'll pay off handsomely, as the slugger will be arguably the top talent available. Judge topped MLBTR's initial power ranking of the upcoming class a month ago, and his 27 home runs are 6 clear of anyone else in the game. He's set to hit free agency in advance of his age 31 campaign and looks to be on track for an 8+ year deal if he continues performing at an elite level for the season's final 3+ months. As most are probably aware by now, Judge's incredible 2022 production would not have been admissible in his arbitration case. The ARB process typically takes place over the offseason, with salaries decided in advance of opening day. Last winter's lockout froze league business for over 3 months, leaving insufficient time for players, teams, and arbitrators themselves to sort out all the cases during spring training. Hearings thus lingered into the season, but MLB and the Players Association agreed that all cases had to be based on the players' pre-2022 body of work. Judge, of course, had a robust career track record even before this season's MVP-caliber first half. He entered the year a career .276 average hitter, collecting a trio of All-Star appearances and 2 Silver Slugger awards in the process. The Fresno State product hit .287 average with 39 homers and 98 runs batted in last season, a platform performance that had set him up for a lofty raise relative to his $10.175 million salary from 2021. The resolution of Judge's case officially closes the books on the 2021-22 arbitration class. 31 players had situations that lingered into the season, although the majority reached in-season agreements or multi-year contract extensions. Of the 13 players who proceeded to hearings this season, 4 won their case, according to the Associated Press.